Meaning of dishy.
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 Dishy. The term dishy is an adjective that can be used to describe an attractive person, especially someone who is considered physically appealing. The term is often used in a slightly informal or colloquial context and may be used as a compliment towards someone's appearance. Although it is not an extremely common term, it is still occasionally used in modern conversation, particularly among younger adults. Overall, dishy is just one of many ways to describe someone who is considered good-looking or attractive.